Today I'm going to take you on a tour of our new listing here in Forest Glen, 3962 Bishopwood Court West, number 201. It's a second floor carriage home featuring just under 2,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2.5 car garage. So what that means is you can park your 2 cars and still have enough room for your golf cart. This home is ready for you to call it a seasonal home or a full-time residence here in beautiful, sunny Naples, Florida. This channel focuses on everything to do with living in Southwest Florida. If you're thinking about buying or selling or just have real estate questions, call or text me at 239-450-5786. If you want to go ahead and schedule a free, no obligation informational Zoom, click the link below. Whether you are looking for a seasonal home or a full-time residence here in Southwest Florida, this carriage home has a lot to offer, from electric storm shutters to a new HVAC system in 22. The condo association has recently replaced the roof in 2023, and the golf course has just been completely updated in 2024. Forest Glen could quite possibly be your golf retreat here in Southwest Florida. In addition to the amazing amenities at the main facility, the condo association here at Bishopwood West has its own private pool and seating area. The Forest Glen Golf and Country Club in its all is ready for your outdoor enjoyment, from walking paths, jogging paths, bocce, pickleball, tennis. It has it all here at Forest Glen. Well, there you have your tour of this carriage home here in Forest Glen. Forest Glen is conveniently located right in the heart of Naples, right off Collier Boulevard, convenient to I-75, and the best restaurants and everything that Naples has to offer. If you'd like to set up a private tour or showing, or you just have questions, call or text me at 239-450-5786, or just click the link below and you'll have direct access to more photos and information about this specific unit. Thank you for touring with me today. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to be notified about all future videos. I'll see you in the next video.